Hey Brog Nation, we've got a very exciting announcement for you, especially if you're one of the individuals that's been contacting us every other month asking, hey, when are you going to make that product again? Well, the answer is today. That product would be the Partner Still Stove Bag family. We have the single burner. We've got the double burner 18-inch. This guy here is for the 22-inch double burner Partner Still stove. So let's dive into the features of these cool products. This is about the smallest heavy-duty stove, single burner that you can get. You can literally level your truck with these. Don't do that and then blame me. That's not my problem. But this bag, like the rest of them, is padded to protect your stove, but honestly to protect your rig even more. If you've got one of these, you know they're pretty heavy, having them bouncing around, rattling around, kind of sharp corners, may not be good for the interior of your truck or the other things that are stored with it. Opens all the way up here, has Velcro on the front and back so you can add ID panels or Velcro pouches, and is padded with a very nice, easy to wipe down liner that we've been waiting on for a while. One of the updates we've made to this family of bags is you can now attach our packing cubes on the outside. The single version is great with these two 10x10s, the same triple run mesh packing cubes that we use in a lot of stuff. Put plates in there, utensils, and kind of a nice little grab and go kit. Holds everything together. Moving up one size is the 18. So this is the smaller double burner. Again, same construction. It's the same bag, just fit for different stoves. Opens nice and flat. It's easy to wipe out, easy to get the stove out. And this one actually works with the new 12x12 packing cube. It's available in a clear front with a high-vis liner and the mesh. So you can get some really big plates in there, lots of kitchen gear, and you can mount one on the front and the back. Going up to the largest stove bag size, the 22. This is a massive stove, so if you're traveling with, big groups, lots of large pots and pans, it's a great way to protect that investment for that piece of equipment, and it will actually hold a total of 4 12x12 packing cubes. Obviously the 10x10s will fit, but these just work really well. You can do 2 on the front, 2 on the back. You can really hold a lot of stuff in these. So here is our whole family of Partner Still stove bags. All of them made right here at the Blue Ridge Overland Gear Shop in Virginia. All of them featuring mil-spec materials from the webbing handles, the zippers, the Velcro, the Cordura, and even the lining material. And all of them feature our lifetime warranty. The Partner stoves are a really big investment, and we want you to have accessories that are just as high quality as the stove itself. You can find these and a lot of great Overland gear items at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.